Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is about something we all experience every day, something that connects us as humans. We're talking about feelings and how to describe them naturally in English.
Yes, feelings are a big part of daily life. We feel happy, sad, tired, excited, nervous, or calm. But many English learners find it difficult to talk about how they feel. They know the feeling, but the words don't come easily.
That's very true. Sometimes people know the grammar, they know many words, but when they want to express emotions, they freeze or feel unsure.
And that's completely normal. Talking about feelings is personal. It also depends on culture. In some cultures, people don't talk openly about emotions. In English, expressing feelings clearly helps communication and relationships.
That's why this topic is so important. When you can describe how you feel, people understand you better. It helps at work, with friends, and even in everyday conversations.
And don't worry, this episode is designed for beginners. We'll use simple words, real-life examples, and natural sentences you can use right away.
Before we continue, we want to say thank you for being here. If you're enjoying this podcast and find it helpful, please support us.
Yes, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and continue creating English learning content for you.
All right, in this episode, you'll learn how to describe basic feelings, stronger emotions, and everyday situations where feelings matter.
By the end, you'll feel more confident expressing yourself in English, and that confidence makes a big difference.
Feelings are part of every single day. We feel something from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep. Even small moments can change how we feel.
That's true. Think about the morning. If you sleep well, you might feel happy or relaxed. If you sleep late, you might feel tired or slow.
These are very common feelings, and the good news is, English uses simple words to describe them. You don't need difficult vocabulary to express yourself.
For example, the word happy. When you smile, laugh, or feel good inside, you can say, I feel happy today.
And the opposite feeling is sad. When something doesn't go well or you miss someone, you might say, I feel sad.
Another very common feeling is tired. After work, study, or a long day, people often say, I'm tired.
Yes, and many learners worry about grammar here, but both I am tired and I feel tired are correct. You don't need to overthink it.
Then there is excited. This is a positive feeling. You feel excited when something good is going to happen, a trip, good news, or meeting someone special.
On the other hand, there is nervous. You might feel nervous before an exam, a meeting, or speaking English.
That feeling is very normal. Many English learners feel nervous when they speak. The important thing is learning how to say it. You can simply say, I feel nervous when I speak English.
Simple sentences like this are powerful. They help people understand you, and they help you feel more confident when you communicate.
As you practice these basic feelings, you'll notice something interesting. You don't just learn words, you learn how to connect with people.
And that connection makes English feel more natural and less stressful. Basic feelings are helpful, but sometimes they are not enough. Life doesn't always feel simple. Sometimes emotions are stronger and more complex.
That's when more descriptive words become useful. For example, frustrated. This feeling appears when you try hard, but things don't work.
Like studying English for hours and still feeling confused. You might say, I feel frustrated.
Another common feeling is overwhelmed. This happens when there's too much to do. Work, family, study, responsibilities, all together.
In that situation, you can say, I feel overwhelmed today. It sounds natural and clear.
Then there's anxious. This feeling is similar to nervous, but usually stronger and longer.
For example, before a job interview or an important exam, your mind keeps thinking and your body feels uncomfortable. You can express this by saying, I feel anxious about tomorrow.
Not all strong feelings are negative. There's also proud. This is a very positive emotion.
When you finish something difficult or achieve a goal, you can say, I feel proud of myself. That sentence is powerful. It shows confidence and progress.
These words help you explain your inner world. They help others understand you better.
And the more you use them, the more natural your English becomes.
Now, here's something important. Everyone feels these emotions. You are not alone.
Sharing feelings is not weakness, it's communication.
And now, we'd love to hear from you. Which feeling do you experience most while learning English? Write one sentence in the comments and describe it.
Feelings are part of daily life. They appear at work, at home, and with friends.
Using feeling words in real situations helps conversations feel natural and honest.
Think about a long day at work. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels slow.
In that moment, you can say, I feel tired and a bit stressed today.
This sentence is simple, but it clearly explains your state.
Another situation is excitement. Something good is coming.
A holiday, a visit from family, or good news from work.
You might say, I feel excited about this weekend.
That emotion adds color to the sentence. It makes your English sound alive.
Sometimes feelings are negative, and that is okay too.
Maybe plans changed or something didn't work.
In that case, you can say, I feel disappointed.
Short sentences like this are strong and clear.
In social situations, feelings also matter. When meeting new people, nervousness is common.
You can say, I feel a little nervous but happy to be here.
This sounds honest and confident at the same time.
At home, feelings help build understanding. Instead of silence, words help.
Saying, I feel overwhelmed today, explains more than staying quiet.
People respond better when they understand emotions.
Using feeling words daily makes English useful, not just correct.
Practice small sentences. Repeat them in real life.
With time, expressing feelings will feel natural and comfortable.
Talking about your own feelings is important, but conversations are not only about you. Listening to others matters just as much.
Knowing how to ask about feelings politely can make communication warmer and more natural.
One simple question works in many situations. How are you feeling?
This question shows care. It invites the other person to share, but it doesn't force them.
Sometimes people answer quickly and say, I'm fine. That's normal.
If you want to show more interest, you can gently ask, how are you really feeling?
That small word really changes the tone. It sounds more personal and sincere.
If someone looks worried or quiet, another helpful sentence is something on your mind?
This is a soft question. It gives space and respect.
When someone shares their feelings, your response matters a lot.
A kind response doesn't need to be long. Simple words are often best.
For example, that sounds difficult, or that must be hard.
These sentences show understanding, even if you don't have a solution.
Another powerful phrase is, I understand how you feel.
It connects emotions. It tells the other person they are not alone.
Sometimes the best support is presence. You can say, I'm here for you.
These words create comfort. They build trust.
Expressing empathy is a skill. It improves relationships and makes your English sound natural and human.
You don't need perfect grammar for this. Honest emotion is more important.
When feelings are shared with care, conversations become meaningful, not just correct.
Feelings are part of daily life. They appear at work, at home, and with friends.
Using feeling words in real situations helps conversations feel natural and honest.
Think about a long day at work. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels slow.
In that moment, you can say, I feel tired and a bit stressed today.
This sentence is simple, but it clearly explains your state.
Another situation is excitement. Something good is coming.
A holiday, a visit from family, or good news from work.
You might say, I feel excited about this weekend.
That emotion adds color to the sentence. It makes your English sound alive.
Sometimes feelings are negative, and that is okay too.
Maybe plans changed or something didn't work.
In that case, you can say, I feel disappointed.
Short sentences like this are strong and clear.
In social situations, feelings also matter. When meeting new people, nervousness is common.
You can say, I feel a little nervous, but happy to be here.
This sounds honest and confident at the same time.
At home, feelings help build understanding. Instead of silence, words help.
Saying, I feel overwhelmed today explains more than staying quiet.
People respond better when they understand emotions.
Using feeling words daily makes English useful, not just correct.
Practice small sentences. Repeat them in real life.
With time, expressing feelings will feel natural and comfortable.